There are times when you just want to escape the reality. Escape from work, stress, and all your problems. You see the airplane fly by and think, I wish I was up there right now so I could escape from my 9 to 5 routines. Today, that day has come. I'm going to Greece and sailing in the blue sea for 2 whole weeks.
Tack så mycket.
Varsågoda. Trevlig resa.
Tack. Ha det bra.
We arrived at the airport. There we met up with our friends. The check-in went smoothly, even the corona situation. Luckily we got a negative response to the Conwood PCR test the day before. Being at the airport can be exciting but can also be boring to wait, especially when the plane is suddenly delayed. So I found some nice position to wait out the time. No, it wasn't comfortable at all. It can even be very stressful if you're late to the flight.
This is the final boarding call for passengers flying to Athens on flight EZ9753. Your flight is ready to leave. Please go to gate 14 immediately. The doors of the plane will close in 5 minutes. This is the final boarding call for
Just kidding, we're not late at all. Instead, we had too much time to kill. So the children had to get creative to make time go faster. And our vacation just started, so we couldn't be bored. So we enjoyed the time we had in the best way possible. With each other, laughing and smiling to make the best of the situation.
After you leave the gate, please make sure that your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Pull the strap tightly. Release the belt. Just lift the top of the buckle. There are 6 exits on this plane. 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 2 window exits located over the wing. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign.
We landed in Athens and went to Glyfara to get the boat. But first we grabbed a cab to the supermarket and bought as much food as the boat could handle. Then onto the boat, our captain Ola took us out to the sea with his crew. We set sail to the unknown island of Greece, or at least for us. The sun rose to the highest point, and the heat took hold of us. It was over 40 degrees Celsius in the shade. We did not manage long before we had to stop the boat and jump into the sea in the middle of the clear blue water of Greece. With 160 meters of water below us, we couldn't much complain about the heat when we had water all around us. Swimming and playing around in the sea, enjoying the time we had and making memories that we will never forget. On board to the boat again, we set the new course towards a new island. New island and new undiscovered land for us to explore. Down with the dinghy and off to land to see the island from a different perspective. Every time we visit a new island, my expectation was set high, but never one of the islands got me disappointed. There was so much beauty they have to offer. Small and quiet towns at daytime that turn into party towns at night. Some of these islands that I really liked were Poros, Hydra, Spetses, Aegina and Limenaria. One day we got to this cozy town Hydra, and late in the evening I decided to go up to the top of the island in the middle of the night to see the sunrise. And with me I got some friends.
Simon, vad tycker du om att gå upp på berget klockan 4 på morgonen för att se soluppgången?
Ja, man är lite trött men man hoppas på att det är värt det.
Ja, du har tagit över tröjan Simon.
Ja,
Är det för varmt?
för varmt just nu.
Tog du hela flaskan direkt? Brantare än man trodde Simon. Svinbrant. Så brant, det är svårt att se kanske. Men kolla, han har svårt att komma upp. Det är så brant. Men jag ska vara ärlig. Jag börjar faktiskt få lite håll. Det börjar bli lite tufft. Men vet ni vad, det bara krigar på den sista biten. Och vi har ungefär en halvtimme på oss innan solen går upp. Och komma upp dit på berget. Där, nu börjar det lätta på skogen. Bergsklättring. Uppe på toppen här. Med otroligt fin utsikt skulle jag säga.
Se ryggen då Max.
Lite svettigt från ryggtäcken.
Sheesh.
Men det är värt det.
Exakt.
Helt underbart här. Kolla utsikten liksom. Sådär, jag har varit uppe och kollat på solnedgången. Det var helt magiskt.
Inte nedgången.
Soluppgången. Soluppgången. Och den var helt magisk. Jag kan se solen där borta. Men alltså kolla utsikten. Helt fantastiskt. Nu ska vi knata ner. Hoppas vi inte bryter någon ben på vägen. Magiskt.
Your taste is really a bad reception out there.
On to new adventures, and this time it was time to snorkel in the beautiful clear blue water. We saw some kind of starfish, fishes, corals, and a lot of sea urchins.
I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
Someone asked me today, would you travel there again? So my answer is simple. Absolutely yes. There are so many places I want to experience again, and so much more to explore in the Greek seas.